Hey guys, Alex from Aussie Auto, giving you a bit of a behind the scenes, just programming up this new eCrano screen. Got the smart shunt here. We don't have everything connected right now, but we're going to get a little bit underway so the boys have an easier day tomorrow. So first thing we'll do is go to the Wi-Fi. We'll connect it to our Aussie Auto Electrics Wi-Fi, and then I'll do an update, get all up to scratch. This customer wants to try out the beta screen. So we'll give him a demo of the new blue screen, show him how to switch it back if he likes, but I'll get that underway now. So I've just popped the Wi-Fi password in. You see we're connected now. So we can go back here, we can go settings. We will go to firmware, online updates, press to check. We'll do a normal update first. Press to update. There she goes, downloading now. Righto, that's updated the latest software. So if we go back in here, I'll show you guys how to get the new beta edition. So we'll go again to firmware, online updates, where it says official release. We'll click that, we'll click beta release. Okay, press to check again. This will search for the new update. Install update, get that one underway, and I'll show you guys what to do after. Righto, so our beta update is done. So I'll show you guys the next step. We want to click the settings again. We will go down to display and language. And if it's done it properly, you'll now have an extra line here. And we click on standard version. And then it comes up here. We can select standard version, or we can select the new V2 version for beta. So we'll click this one. The box doesn't tick, not sure why, but away she goes. Now it's doing the changeover. And there it is. There's the new display. Again, we don't have all our components connected just now, so it won't display everything. Another handy feature with these screens and the update is if you opt for the Victron DC-DC charger, it will show up as an alternator input as well. It'll have another little square off to the side here showing our input in from the vehicle, which is pretty cool. So there you guys go. Hope it makes it a bit easier for you.